In 2019, when Reliance and Aramco signed a non-binding letter of intent for a potential 20% stake in Reliance's $15 billion oil-to-chemicals unit, Reliance Industries chairman Mukesh Ambani told shareholders that this would be the biggest ever investment in an Indian company and would forge a close alliance between the world's biggest oil exporter and India's largest company by market value. Subsequently, the company had announced a detailed plan to create a separate entity for this very business in September of 2020. Now, 3 weeks ago, Reliance scrapped this very deal with Aramco, citing evolving nature of its business portfolio. So what exactly is this evolving nature of its business that led to the calling of this deal? Let's try and understand. Well, in simple terms, the collapse of the deal reflects nothing but the changing global energy landscape as oil and gas companies shift away from fossil fuel to renewables. Valuations of refining and petrochemical assets have gone down after the recently concluded COP26 climate talks in Glasgow. But if we talk about Reliance in particular, since 2019 when this deal was announced, Reliance has been shifting its focus to include a plan for developing one of the largest integrated renewable energy manufacturing facilities in the world. This complex would consist of solar photovoltaic module, a battery, a green hydrogen and fuel cell factories. In June this year, Mukesh Ambani pledged to spend $10 billion on alternative energy over the next 3 years in an attempt to transform Reliance that still gets nearly 60% of its revenue from fossil fuel related businesses. It acquired a Norwegian solar panel maker and an Indian builder of renewable projects last month in a bid to extend its dominance into the clean energy sector and has a target to be a carbon net zero by 2035. Now, although Reliance has reiterated that it will continue to be Aramco's preferred partner in India and is committed to a pact with it, but it hasn't specified the contours of what the partnership may look like in future. The calling off of Reliance Aramco deal highlights two particular aspects. First being that it is clear that Reliance is attempting to be a disruptor in the clean energy sector, and it can very well be because Reliance is known to spring a surprise to completely transform a market it enters. Reliance's combination of technology and deep pockets is ideal, and it is what it did with Jio very successfully, and it is now looking to replicate that combination in the clean energy sector. Second, of course, is the changing global energy scenario, as we discussed, where investors are being cautious of investing in traditional fossil fuel businesses. Over the past decade, the oil and gas industry's profits have sagged, revenues and cash flows have withered, bankruptcies have abounded, stock prices have fallen, massive capital investments have been written off as worthless, and fossil fuel investors have lost hundreds of billions of dollars. In India also, it's evident as the government's disinvestment plan for BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, has run into rough weather as well because bidders are struggling to find partners. According to a Bloomberg report in October, the three suitors, the Vedanta Group, Apollo Global Management and I Squared Capital, have been talking to global energy giants and sovereign and pension funds but haven't been able to finalize partners. And one of the key reasons for this has been the global push towards green energy and pressure from investors to slash emissions, which is holding back companies from making large investments in fossil fuels. So with the renewed climate pledges by India and the rest of the countries at the recently concluded COP26 climate summit in Glasgow, these financial pressures are set to intensify over the coming decade as the oil and gas sector faces the reality of the world's transition to clean energy. What will remain to be seen is that how the traditional fossil fuel giants steer through this wave of global energy transition, and also what disruption will Reliance bring in the clean energy market.